Hi folks, this is Gopal Miglani, founder of the ZapperBox, and I want to give you an update on the DVR. We did an early release, sent it to about 10 beta testers. We found a couple issues we want to fix before we push the release out to everybody. In particular, we saw a conflict between recordings made in the background when you put your box in standby, and at the same time the box tries to do a channel scan and update the guide data over the air. So we need to fix that. So we'll push the release back to Wednesday, August 2nd. It'll go out right now. The plan is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We always do releases over 3 days in case something goes wrong. And then in this video, I want to talk about the Zap button on the remote control. As you know, we have a button labeled Zap, and when you press that, it brings up a quick menu that you can use to turn on captions, change Dolby settings, bring up the signal meter. But we use the Zap button differently during DVR to delete files, delete recordings. I want to show that to you. With that, let's take a look at the demo. And here we go. So here we have my ZapperBox and the remote control. I want to point out the Zap key. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. This button here is called Zap. I'll bring it closer. And we use it to, let me put the ZapperBox down here. And perfect. So when you're watching TV, if I press the Zap button, we get the quick menu. We can change caption settings, audio settings, hide or show channels, or turn the antenna setup on or off. People love this screen. You can know everything about the frequency that's being watched. I'll turn it back off, get rid of Zap, go into guide. But when you are in the so let's start a couple of recordings. I will press record, start recording this show, and start recording both these shows. Now I press the DVR button, and I see that 2 recordings are in progress. I can go to the schedule. So I go down to the schedule, I go to this recording, and I press the Zap button. So I press the Zap button. That recording changes from a circle to a square. That recording has stopped now. And then if I go out of the menu and go back in, let me refresh the screen. When I go back in, that recording has gone away. And if I go back to the library, you see that there's a 1-minute recording that I stopped. So we use the Zap button to not only stop recordings, but here to delete recordings. So here if I go and I press Zap, anything that I have these 1-minute recordings that I can start deleting. Now, if I try to leave this menu, now it says press Zap to undelete. So if I press Zap again, I can undelete the recording for now. However, if I leave this menu, I get a warning that if you leave, these recordings will not be recoverable. So I hit continue. And now all those 1-minute recordings are gone. Not only that, I can go down. There's a scheduled recording. Let's say this MASH show that's going to be recorded. Press Zap to cancel. So I can press Zap. Now this recording will not be made at 6:30 p.m. today. And then I can go out, again get the warning. And the 6:30 p.m. MASH recording has been erased. Go back here. go to the series. Now if there's a series that I do not want to record, I can erase that entire, let's look at Lydia's Kitchen, and I press zap. That entire series recording, the repeat recording, will not be made if I erase it. So let's go here and I will exit out, continue again. So that entire repeat recording has been erased. So that's how we use the zap button in the DVR context. Hi folks, thanks for watching this video. We are anxious to get the DVR released to you starting Wednesday. Hopefully everything tests fine and it goes out as planned starting Wednesday. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we're looking forward to DVR and all the other exciting features we have in the pipeline. Goodbye.